Still have a couple things to do. Hook up the photo eye and make sure that the safety device is working properly. Right now I have the safety bypass. That's why I'm able to open and close it. But I have to open and close it because I got to make sure my spacing and everything is right. So still have to zip tie the actuator cable over there, but for the most part everything on the inside is done. Now we'll install the safety device and install the keypad. Alright, I did something I normally don't do on these Seiko alarm photo eyes. I welded that bracket on there. I'm just getting tired of having to break screws and all that stuff, so I welded it on there. I don't think that's going to be any problem at all. So now I'll go ahead and I've got it wired up. Just got to get the screwdriver in there. It feels good. There we go. Alright, so we got one in there. Now we'll just get this other one. It's kind of tough to see and doing it blind. There we go. You don't want to damage the wires.